Hi everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Here is another great tasting square to add to your recipe collection. It's called chocolate marshmallow bars. This is also quick to make and you'll just need a few simple ingredients. And yes, I do line the bottom of the pan with parchment paper and then lightly grease the sides just to make it easier to get the squares out after. So let's get right to the ingredients. Start by melting a half a cup of butter. And pour 2 cups of quick oats into a medium bowl for mixing. Then add half a cup of brown sugar, and also half a cup of flour. Then take and add the melted butter to this and stir it until it's well combined. So once it's mixed well enough to hold together a little bit, then pour it into the bottom of your pan and pat it down till it's nice and smooth. Now this pan is about a 9 by 13 inch. Now bake that in a 350-degree oven for between 15 and 18 minutes until it's lightly golden. So once that's baked, you take 1 can of sweetened condensed milk and pour over the top of it while it's still hot. Then smooth that out until it's nice and even, and then add 1.5 cups of miniature marshmallows. And just spread them evenly over the top like this. Now then add 1.5 cups of chocolate chips and sprinkle them evenly over the top of the marshmallows. Return it to the oven and continue baking 25 to 30 minutes until it's golden and bubbly. Wow, who doesn't like roasted marshmallows? Now then you'll chill it about 4 hours or overnight before cutting into squares. They make between 12 and 24 squares depending on the size of square that you want to cut them into. They're also excellent for freezing if you want to make them up ahead. Now there you have it, chocolate marshmallow squares. Go ahead and give it a try. Until next time, thanks for watching Best Recipes with Sharon, and happy eating.